Beautiful home in village of Boca Barwood. 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, corner townhouse with lots of space. House has been recently renovated from top to bottom. Open floor plan with wood cabinets, granite countertops and newer stainless steel appliances. Brand new microwave, washer and dryer. Combined living and family room with large sliding doors opens to enclosed patio. Upstairs with wood floors. Huge master bedroom with walk-in closet and skylight. Garage is converted to an office but can be easily reconverted back. Hot water heater has been replaced October 2019. Aluminium hurricane shutters. Very low HOA fee includes cable, lawn, trash, exterior painting and outside maintenance. Community pool, tennis courts, playground and clubhouse. Pets up to £35. Great school district.